Basically, right? What we do in the beginning is we just like air compress all the debris out of the vehicle, and then once we get all the debris out, basically on glass surfaces specifically, and anything that's, let's say, surfaces like this right here, the chrome. What else? It's a few specific surfaces that you just want to get the debris off of, because once you put any type of chemical or any type of agitation on it, it's going to leave a whole bunch of scratches and, yeah, make the job basically worse than, intended.
What is up, YouTube? It is Raul, or I guess Raulito too. Um, Back with another video. This one's, I guess, different format. So here I am spending a day with professional detailers. Just got to see what they do, their work, their thought process. I didn't really record this very well because I had low battery from the previous like car meet footage, which you'll see in the future, see soon. But yeah, so right now I'm here and just showing kind of like the before of what the car looks like. The car, I mean, was already pretty clean. There's not a lot of trash. There's not like a lot of dirt. I mean, you can see there's a lot of like smaller details, like a lot of powder and stuff like that. That of course can be cleaned up and picked. But yeah, so it wasn't a bad job. Here with XLS mods. And yeah, just seeing their work. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll kind of pick up throughout it and do a little bit some more like voiceovers and stuff like that. But yeah, see you through the video. All right, so something that actually kind of impressed me with this, something I've never seen before or really heard, because I don't really do a lot of research, but whenever I do detail, usually I use some sort of like brush or toothbrush or kind of like something to pick up the carpet or like move the dirt around so that's not like stuck inside of the carpet or fabric, whatever. So seeing someone use an air compressor, I think that was pretty smart, because I mean I kind of use like my wet dry vac. I'll switch the not like modes, but like I'll put the pump around whatever, so that instead of sucking in, it's blowing. And but to use an air compressor, it's smaller because it's like it's a focused area. You can like direct what you want instead of just blowing like kind of everything and one like random like wish wash motion. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, good on XLS mods. Very smart, very intuitive. Definitely allows you to get into like one smaller areas because you have like kind of like the needle nose, but as you see, it's like more manageable compared to like using this huge wet dry vac thing. So yeah, good for them. And the other thing that he brought up that I didn't put in the video, but Sean, the guy we're watching right here, he brought up that when you use a brush, depending on the vehicle, it can really damage or it might even make things look worse than before. Your goal is to detail and make the car look nice and presentable, and you don't want to like kind of ruin what you don't want to ruin someone else's car. So the air compressor just, it allows, to pick up the dirt, which is the main goal, um, without, affecting the car. All right, so just wanted to, like, the music plays over so you could watch what's going on. But yeah, so you saw that after the air compressor, they did the wet dry vac. They had a second guy work on the car, so, like, makes things a little bit faster. One guy was wet dry vacuuming the car. Then once he got done with that, then you could have someone else go ahead and start doing, like, the detailing process, which they had, like, specific chemicals for, specific parts of the car. And then they kind of like this soap thing for like you saw for the foot, like the pedals. I said foot pedals, but for like the brakes and you know for the car. And now you see that they're kind of going through that soapy, like, rinsing part. So you got some drone footage of that. But yeah, I mean, very enjoyable process. This is unique and new to me because, like, I've never used I can't even think what it's called. I can never used it's literally in front of me. Whatever this machine's called, I can't think of the word. But yeah, I usually go by hand, so seeing this is definitely efficient, and I love it. It's something I'm gonna use for the future. But yeah, very enjoyable. I'm glad I could spend the day with XLS Mods and got to see their detailing process. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want your car detailed, if you're interested in that, go check out XLS Mods. They're right here in St. Lucie County, rural Florida, and they're mobile. But thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, check my dogs out, and have a great day. Goodbye.